as you can see, this tree here, you can see that it leans that way. But we're going to go that way with it. We'll try it with this. There's our tree. That little one's kind of in the way, but there's our tree. But if we get over here, maybe you can see it does sweep back the direction that we want to go with it, but it is leaning hard that way. So we're going to follow it from this side of the tree right here, and we're going that direction. And we'll try not to get it hung up in that big fir. It should have enough momentum to push its way through that by the time it gets there. We got the XPW today with the still lightweight 32-inch bar on it with the hand filed square hand filed full house. Better make sure you can see that. Screen's off, sorry. Yeah. Still lightweight on a Husqvarna with the proper adapter. Square hand file. Let's do it. Okay, I want to take a second and talk about how that square filed chain just shaved that. See how it shaved that and cleaned that all up? That's like I've said before, that's why I'm going for the square ground hand filed, because of that, because it cleans up so much nicer than round.
Look at that. Look at that. You see those little trees waving right there that it went through? Look at that. Didn't bust the top out of nothing. Oh, that's right on. Right on. My stump is not very pretty, but it works. But it works. The system that I use works. Plenty of holding wood. Left more here, more on this side, because it was leaning out that direction,
right? Still holding wood all the way across. And right where we want it. Can't ask for it to be better. It's a little high over here on this part of the stump on that side. It's a little high everywhere. But like I've said before, I would rather be high on the back cut than too low, especially for wedging. It holds it on the stump better, in my opinion. And you can get more control of it. But we got control of that one pretty early. That's a nice fir log. Even left this little guy right here standing unscathed. Up there, hanging in there, watch overheads. Hey everybody, just wanted to come on right here at the end. I didn't have a outro, so this is my outro. Anyway, I'm just on my way home from work and stopped here, pulled off the road to make this. So anyway, I want to thank everybody for watching, and this tree's pretty cool. I started the firewood season right across the road from here with that small tree. Smaller trees, smaller saws. So yeah, so it's pretty cool. This is the last firewood tree that I got this year. So it's pretty cool to start the season here and to end the season here. So pretty neat. So thanks everybody for watching. I appreciate it. There'll be more to come. There'll be, I don't know, probably 4 more videos of stuff going on with this tree. At least, yeah, there'll be 3 more anyway, I would say. We'll see how it all edits out, and different saws, different things, trying different stuff, and splitting wood with different axes and stuff like that. So stay tuned for the rest of the series on this one. We love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. Be kind.